What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to customize your Smartlead account to be unique to your own brand. And as you can see, this is what it looks like before the changes. And we've got different tabs: email campaigns, master inbox, email accounts, all of this. And the end output, we've removed every single tab except for the main ones that we want our clients to access. Another thing that we've done, in the main dashboard over here, we have a filtering section. This filtering section allows clients to check out the archived campaigns. And when we do this, typically we don't want them to see all of the archived campaigns. But in the after, we've removed that section. So the button that we've just clicked previously, it's no longer there. The app colors, we've changed the app colors to be unique to our own brand. So this is one brand, this is another brand, this is another really badly designed brand. We can change that to be whatever we want. Another thing that we've done, actually we've done a lot, but let me get to the point. The point is, this requires knowledge of JavaScript DOM manipulation, but I'm going to be giving away all of the code to do this. So this is how it's going to look when you check out afonto.com/automations. We've got all of the code. We've got a before and after. As you can see, all of the tabs are here. We've removed some of the tabs. This is the code we leverage. Changing app colors. This is the code to do that. Changing the header colors. This is the code to do that. And so what I'm going to spend the rest of the video doing is showing you how we come up with this code. So let's go to Smartlead. What you're going to want to do is essentially go to the client access section. So the client access section is where you add all of your Smartlead clients. After you've added a Smartlead client, you will get to add an external script. And so all you need to do is simply go to the embed code, give this a name. And then from here, we will go to the actual client. So you will log into the client dashboard so that you can see what it actually looks like from their end. And then at that point, you will create an external script. And so you go to afonto.com/automations, and then you choose an external script that you want. And so a good one to get started is, actually, this one's a little complicated. Actually, let's start with this one, right? So this one is changing the header colors, it's changing the company logo, it's changing the person's image. And then you can simply paste that code over here. And so when we paste that code, we will get to choose an app color. And so let's actually just do yellow hex code. This is going to look really bad, but it's going to get the idea across. We will paste that in the color section over there, and then we will also replace the background color as well. And now we will need to have a company logo. And for me to use the company logo, I leverage I leverage Cloudinary. And so Cloudinary allows you to host your images online. And so you can leverage any tool that you want. But in my case, I use Cloudinary, and I've just got the logo over here. And so this is the link that I'm going to be pasting in this section over here. And so public downloadable image, we will go ahead and replace that with our logo. And then we will replace the person's image as well. And so the really cool thing with changing the person's image is you can actually do this all automatically via the API. And so when you onboard a brand new client, you can check out their LinkedIn profile and then automatically add the person's image in this section. And I'll show you how we automate all of this stuff during the client onboarding. So if you recall, we changed the app colors to yellow, and we also changed the logo over here, Afonto, to being my logo. And so when we refresh the page, the background over here is going to be yellow, and then the background back here is also going to be yellow. If you don't want to have this project page also being yellow, all you would simply do is just remove sections of it. So change background color, you would just delete this section over here. And so when we delete this section, save it, and then update it, go back to the app, refresh the page, as you can see, the background is no longer how it was previously. And by the way, how we get the code to do this is by leveraging the inspect element. And so when you inspect element, we're able to see all of the different things that are going on. And so for example, the project page, this is the project page and how it works. And so if we were to just do it via inspect element, as you can see, it just changed a bunch of times. Oh, I really like this color. F74, I really like it. So, like, this is an example of how it's done. You just analyze all of these different sections over here, change the colors however you like, and then once it looks good, you would simply add that section inside the code over here. But as I mentioned, to keep it simple, you guys can just leverage my automations. Let me show you how I automate all of this stuff during the client onboarding process. And by the way, this is something I want to point out. I spend $64 per month on Make, and I've automated 90% of my job. So a lot of times people think you're actually spending so much money, but it's not. It's not. It's not. It's not anything. So let's go to the onboarding automation over here. This is the client onboarding process. And so when I onboard a brand new client, one of the things we're doing is we're leveraging the Smartlead API to add the client in the Smartlead dashboard. Another thing that we are doing is we are also going to add all of those, all of that code. Damn, I've got a lot going on. So Smartlead header colors, we do that. We do the app colors, we do the drawer colors, and we've only got 3 over here because we are actually able to combine this code into smaller chunks. So over here we've got the full code for this particular section. We've got change app functionality. We've got the full code for this section. We can actually combine some of these components together to make the code simpler. And then at this point, we leverage the API to add it for the specific client so that we don't actually have to touch this ever again. But that is how you customize your Smartlead access. This is a very ugly layout. This is kind of cool. I actually kind of like this. This is extremely ugly. This is decent. It's nice. I like it. And then I really love this color. This green and this orange, like, whoever's got these branding colors, I'm kind of jealous of you. But anyways, that's the video. Hope this was helpful. Cheers!